Hi, I'm Richard Slutsky. I'm chair of the board of directors at Hazon. Welcome to our 2020 Vision Rides, and thanks for joining us.
We really like to spend time with each other, if you can't tell. And now with the Vision Rides, we've been able to go on runs together. It's been really great that it's opened up to more than just riders, and we've been running and fundraising and seeing what everyone else is doing. It's been a really amazing experience.
This is Shamu Fenveshi Sadeh riding for Team Adamanix in the 2020 Vision Rides.
This is Yona Sadeh riding for the Team Jewish Youth Climate Movement in Hazon's 2020 Vision Rides.
Yay, so facing a big hill climb today.
We hope this encourages you to be assiduous in your pursuit of Hazon's goals and to ride.
My name is Haniel Levinson. I'm the rabbi at Congregation Mount Sinai in Brooklyn Heights. I've been loving the Vision Rides that Hazon does. Love Hazon. What a beautiful mix of social action, of environmental awareness, and Jewish spirituality. All three things which are very important to my heart.
We just completed 40 minutes and 2 miles on the treadmill, and we're delighted to be associating this with Hazon. And nice to get some exercise. Sustainability is a big thing, and hopefully yours truly will be a tad more sustainable after this bit of exercise.
Hi, my name is Shuli Karkowski, and I am the Executive Vice President at Hazon. But more importantly, I am a top participant in our Vision Rides. I go green for my 3 children who are 5, 5, and 1. They make me indescribably happy, and I think I owe leaving them a world that has the potential to make them at least as happy and live as good a life.